Okay, these instructions are just slightly different than the other instructions that we've been reading. These instructions say each correct answer will receive 4 credits. Clearly indicate all necessary steps, including appropriate formula substitutions, diagrams, graphs, charts, etc. For all questions in this part, a correct numerical answer with no work shown will receive only 1 credit. That means that your work is going to be worth 3 points. The values of 15 Pokemon cards are shown in the accompanying table. And there's the table. Find the mean value of the cards to the nearest penny. Well, let's examine the table for a couple seconds. And I'll ask you, how many cards are there? There's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. That's wrong. There's 1 card worth 50 cents. There's 4 cards worth $1.50. So far we have 5 cards. There's 6 cards worth $2.50. So far we have a total of 11. There's 3 cards worth $5. 11 plus 3 is 14. And 1 more card worth $80. So we have a total of 15 cards. That's important to understand, especially since it says to find the mean. Mean is the mathematical average. Add them up and divide by the amount of cards. So we're going to add them up and divide by 15. How am I going to add them up? I'm going to show all appropriate work. All appropriate work means writing down everything that I'm adding together, showing that I hit equals, and it's $116.50. The next thing that we do is show that we divide it by 15 to get $7.76 point repeating. So it rounds to $7.77. Now part B, find the median value of the cards. You could use this data up here to find the median value of the cards. So what I did was I just copied it down here. I'm going to find the median. Median is the middle number. I'm going to cross them off by pairs to find out the middle number. I'm at this point, and when I cross off this last 2 pairs, I get $2.50 for the median. Let's just check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 others. So it is $2.50 for the median value. The last part says state which measure of central tendency, the mean or the median, best represents the values of these cards. Justify your answer. State which measure of central tendency, and it tells you what central tendency means. Central tendency is either the mean or the median. Which one is best? Is 250 the best representation of the value of these cards? Or is $7.77 the best representation of those cards? Well, if we take a look at this data, we see that $7.77 would fall in right there. So the answer is the median is the best representation because it represents the value of 6 of the cards, which is a majority of the cards in the data. $7.77, or the mean, is not, because most of the cards are worth a lot less than $7.77. It's very important to write out your answer to part C in a complete sentence. That ends this lesson.